This is the third tutorial of our language where we'll to print this pattern which I given here. The aim of the program is write a program to print a pattern. Pattern is 1 on the one line, then 2 on the second line, then 3 on the second line. First, we have to write this program using while loop in Python. That's why we need to study the while loop. At the same time, we should know the logic of it. First, we'll discuss the logic of the program. The logic of the program says that we have to display the pattern which given here in the red color as 1, then 2, 2, then 3, 3, 3. Basically, we use the two while loop, one while loop for the I and second while loop for the j. Here, this while loop of I will travel up to the value of n, which are equivalent to 3, which are equivalent to 3. Here n is 1, n is 2, n is 3, or I is 1, I is 2, I is 3. That's why the condition for the I will be like in this way, I less than equal to n. It will travel. But we know that whenever the value of I is equal to 1, the value of j of I, the value of j is equal also travel up to the value of equivalent to the value of I. Similarly, whenever the value of I is equivalent to 2, the value of j will also travel up to the value equivalent to I, that is 2. Similarly, here whenever the value of I is equal to n, that is 3, at the same time the value of j is equal also travel up to the value of I equivalent to 3. In this way, we got the one for loop, one while loop. One while loop which says that while I less than equal to n, while the second for loop says that while j less than equal to I. Hope everyone understood the logic of it. Suppose there is 4, 4, 4, 4 also, then here also j is equal to I will travel. Means the first while loop will be while I less than equal to n, and second while loop will be while j less than equal to I. Now we will see the second concept which are required for executing this program is the concept of while loop in Perl. Perl while loop. The Perl while loop is used to iterate the part of the program or the statement many times. In while loop, condition is given before the statement. When loop executes start, it first checks whether the condition is true or false. If the condition is true, loop executes. If the condition is false, the loop terminates out of the loop. This is the syntax of the while loop, which is similar to the C language or Java language, where while is the keyword. Here we write a condition. Condition may be made of relational expression, and then here we'll write a logic which you want to execute whenever the condition is true. Whenever the condition is true, this part is simply executed in a loop. Whenever the condition becomes false, it comes out of the while loop. Now here we'll see the program of it. This is the program. Once again, here I have written write a program to print, where we have used the single line comment. After that is equal to begin is equal to cut. This is used for the multi-line comment. Comment means the compiler does not execute this as a part of the instructions. It is considered as a part of the documentation. After that, let's see one variable is initialized, which is equivalent to 1. If you want to declare a variable, we should use the $C. C is the variable and dollar is used along with that to declare a variable. Then print statement, enter number of rows. This is used for the user to display on the screen that what to enter. Then we are accepting the value of n. $n is the variable is equal to n with a bracket. It will indicate that here we want to accept the input from the user. After that, the value of I is traveled from I equal to 1, I equal to 2, I equal to n. That's why here it is initialize the value of I equal to $1, I equal to 1. Then the first while loop condition that we have discussed here. This part I less than equal to n. That's why we are continuous here at this point. While $I less than equal to $n first while. Once again, j will travel from 1 as we have discussed here. Initially j will 1, then j will 2, then j will 3. In that sense, here also we will consider as $j is equal to 1. The second while loop it says that while j less than equal to I. So here I will write a code for it while here j less than equal to I. $j less than equal to $I. Then we print $I, value of I is to be printed, value of I 1, it will be printed. And next time the value of j will be incremented and it becomes 2. The condition does not satisfy, that's why it comes out here, and the value of I once again incremented becomes 2. When it becomes 2, print slash n, it will bring the cursor to the next line at this position. Then once again the value of j initialized to 1. 1 less than equal to 2 condition satisfied, the first value of I is printed as 2. The value of j is incremented, now it becomes 2. 2 less than equal to 2, once again condition is satisfied, the value of I which is equivalent to 2, it is printed. Now the j becomes 3, j less than equal to 2, the condition becomes false, here the value of I is incremented, now it becomes 3, and the cursor will be transferred to the next line at this position. Now here the value of I is incremented and it becomes 3. Once again the value of j will be initialized to 1. Here j less than equal to 1 less than equal to 3, yes, condition satisfied, the value of I3 is printed. Then j will be incremented and it becomes 2. 2 less than equal to 3, yes, condition satisfied, the value of I is 3, which is printed. 3 less than equal to 3, yes, the condition is satisfied, once again the value of I3 is printed. 4 less than equal to 3, condition becomes false, here the value of I is incremented, and once again here it becomes 4, and next it will go to the next line, but here the condition becomes false, then finally we get the entire program to be terminated. Whenever we run this program, here you can see the output of it. It will ask for the user to enter the number of rows. Where the user will enter the number of rows, basically will get the output as 1 2 2 3 3 3. Hope everyone understood the logic of the program as well as the Perl program for writing this. In this program, we have studied how to declare a single line comment, how to declare a multi-line comment, how to declare a variable, how to print the string, how to accept the input from user, how to include a while loop, how to include the nested while loop, how to utilize print a value of the variable, and how to go to the next line. Hope everyone understood it clearly. Thank you.